Farmer Ben's garden under the moon so bright, the veggies started singing on a silver shining night. Carla the Carrot rang high like a bell, while Bob the broccoli rumbled deep and fell. The tomatoes in a circle sang like birds at dawn, their voices soft and cheerful as they danced upon the lawn. They swayed and they shimmered in the pale moonlight, turning Farmer Ben's garden into music every night. One night little Maya heard the song so sweet, tiptoeing to the garden in her bare quiet feet. The vegetables told her we sing as we grow, to help one another stay healthy, you know. Maya kept their secret and she planted her own row, humming with her veggies as she watched them sprout and grow. Under full moon glow she would sing soft and low, and her garden grew the tastiest in the town below.